Hey friends, welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a mirror that's been secured to the wall with an adhesive. Make sure you cover your area, your work area. You don't want any glass. If it does break off to damage anything, I used painter's tape. You can use duct tape to preserve your mirror. I taped it up real good just in case it did break. It wouldn't be flying all over the place. You obviously want to wear eye protection and get yourself some wooden shims. You can pick them up at your local hardware store. So pretty much just use the shims and just slowly tap them in all over, a little bit at a time. Yeah, just basically all you want to do is work your way in there. You're going to hear a little bit of a tearing sound. It's going to, as it tears away from the wall. You don't want to do this too fast. Once the shims get in there, you just kind of tap them in and you can work your way down along the line. Once it separates a little bit, get another shim and tap that one in behind the existing shim. Some people use like metal things to try to pry these away from the wall. I don't recommend that. You have a greater chance of splitting your mirror or cracking it. So really lessens your chance if you are using these little wooden shims and just kind of tapping them in there. I recommend that. So once you double up the shims, then the gap will be increasing. And then once they're doubled up, you can put a shim in between the two shims and tap those down. And I had multiple shims all the way across the top. And then the gap widened, I just started focusing mainly on those other places where the shims were and tapping more and more shims like overlapping. So it just slowly widened. Eventually, as you're doing this also, you're going to be hearing like a slow tearing sound as it breaks away from the construction adhesive. And once you get a nice, pretty good sized gap, maybe a couple fingers width, I just kind of slowly pulled on it with my hands, and this allowed it to come off. It should start increasing, like the more shims you get in, a little bit wider, and it's going to start increasing the distance there, and till you can get your fingers in there. I wouldn't use a crowbar or anything like that to pry it. I've seen some people do that. I recommend just kind of gently pulling with your hands. If it doesn't come away, then just keep using your shims until the gap widens enough. This one had a little metal trough at the bottom that held the mirror in there. I just lifted that off of there and we were good to go. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.